In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export to Excel from Jira. As you can see, here I am on Jira, and if you want to export stuff from Jira to Excel, what you need to do, you need to be logged in, go to the website, and then go to what you've worked on and what you created. From here, you can see all the information, and you want to go to the top three dots under Actions, and now we can export to Word and export to XML. So we want to export to XML. And as you can see, this doesn't work, so we have to try it again with Word. And this one does work. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I just added some random stuff. I'm not sure why the XML file doesn't work, because normally, like, I did it 10 minutes ago and then it was working, but Word works as well. So normally this should work. I'm not sure why it's actually wrong at this point, but just still, this is where you can find it. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.